Hi friends! Today we're going to be looking at animals that live in the tall, tall grass. In this book, you'll hear some rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that sound alike. So you could hear go, no, go, no. They sound alike. So when I'm reading, can you hear some rhyming words? In the tall, tall grass. This is written and illustrated by Denise Fleming. She writes the words and draws the pictures. She does both. In the tall, tall grass. In the tall, tall grass. Crunch, munch, caterpillars lunch. Dart, dip, hummingbirds sip. Strum, drum, bees hum. Crack, snap, wings flap. Look at this big bird. What color is that bird? Purple. Good. Do you know what color it is in Spanish? Morado. Pull, tug, ants lug. Slip, slide, snakes glide. Rich, ratch, moles scratch. Skitter, scurry, beetles hurry. Zip, zap, tongue snap. Look at these frogs' long tongues. Hip, hop, ears flop. Hop, flop. Hop, flop. Those are rhyming words. Stop, go, fireflies glow. Lunge, loop, bats swoop. Stars bright, moonlight. Good night, tall, tall grass. The end. Okay, so we just looked at some things that live in the tall, tall grass. Maybe one day when it's warm outside, you can go outside with mommy or daddy and you could look in the grass, see what you could see, to see if you could find anything in the tall, tall grass. Okay, bye friends.